And what you think? It was this not working, nothing was working. This not working, climate was not working, parktronic was not working, radio working just manual. I have took out climate control module because I thought maybe it's something with that, maybe some split water or something, but everything was dry, everything, how to say, normal. So I found here CAN cables, and it was 0.3 volt, and it was like always beeping, and it was 2.8 resistance. Now it's 3.8. Not so much different, but everything wake up. So after I opened here and I find there is gateway control module. This one, it sits up there, little deeper there. There inside is like this frame, and on this frame is sitting this gateway control module. I opened that, no smelling, no burning, nothing, looks nice, dry. Here is parktronic control module. Here also nothing strange. And what else after it was, and what else? One more module. Yes, instrument. I thought this is very small chance to be. So after I found out that by wiring diagram, it is in this CAN lines connected auxiliary heater Webasto. I start to search where is Webasto. Webasto shows somewhere here on my program which I have, but after I decide, okay, I try to find where is exhaust for Webasto, and the exhaust pipe is down there, this one. I opened it here, everything, and I found here is just pipe, exhaust pipe going here, like here, and here you go, in up is Webasto, and Webasto have connector. I disconnect that connector. Here is go CAN communication lines, orange, violet, and orange, brown, I think like that. Those two CAN lines, and everything wake up. So self, how to say, Webasto auxiliary heater, Eberspacher is shorted CAN lines, and car don't show instrument, CLIMA is not working, and stuff like that. If you like this video, subscribe. You can put some donation or something, and subscribe, share, comment, and see you next time. Now I'm gonna leave this, I tape this and put everything back, and if customer wants, he buy new one Webasto and we install. If don't want, it can stay 100 years like that, and no problem. Porsche Cayenne 2015 model. Like this problem. See you next time.